Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: the rolling department of Atlas Steel Company had 41.50150 million tons in beginning work in process inventory, 40% complete during period 83580 tons were completed. The ending work in process inventory was 6770670 tons, 30% complete. What are the total equivalent units of for conversion costs? The answer of the question is: total equivalent units for conversion cost can be calculated as follows. First, equivalent units from beginning work in process BWIP tax into equivalent units from BWIP tax into beginning inventory times into taxed percentage complete tax into equivalent units for BWIP is equal to 4150 times 40% is equal to 1660 tax into tons. Second, equivalent unit for units started and completed during the period tax into equivalent unit for the units started and completed equal to tax into units completed tax into equivalent units for units started and completed is equal to 83,580 tax into tons. Third, equivalent units from ending work in process EWIP tax into equivalent unit from EWIP tax is equal to tax into ending inventory times tax into percentage complete tax into equivalent units for EWIP is equal to 6770 times 30% is equal to 2031 tax into tons. Total equivalent units for conversion cost tax into total equivalent units for conversion cost is equal to tax into equivalent units for BWIP plus tax into equivalent units from units started and completed plus tax into equivalent units from EWIP tax into total equivalent unit for conversional cost is equal to 1660 plus 83580 plus 2031 is equal to 87271 tax tons. So the total equivalent units for conversion is 87271 tons. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.